It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before, but it's been a while since the last time I did it, and I had some questions come in on it today, rightfully so, and not to rub salt in anyone's wounds or state the obvious, but pretty rough day with a gap down, and then the price did pull back. But from a technical perspective now, it is setting up an interesting kind of situation, and we'll have to see if there's anything behind it or not. And let's just hop right in. And that interesting situation is where the price is now kind of flirting around down there at 41 cents. Why is 41 cents so important? Well, if you look back through the history of the chart, namely, late October, early November, you can see the price hovered right around that area before eventually going on a very, very nice move. Now, don't get me wrong. I really wish the market was as easy as, hey, because this price level bounced last time it was at this level, it's for sure guaranteed going to bounce this time. Like I said, I wish the market was that easy. Now, would I be shocked to see the price get some sideways action and then potentially try to go on another nice bounce? I would not be shocked by that, but I'm not saying that's a guarantee. So don't go grab your kids' college tuition money and say, hey, some guy on YouTube said it's 100% guaranteed to bounce. Not saying that. I'm just mapping out why it's a very interesting situation from a technical chart perspective. Because, yeah, last time it was down here, the price stabilized and then started to head back up. And here, granted, it's just one day. It's not like the price came down here and then just kept going and kept going and kept going and kept going. So it slightly went below there, but then, price got back up above it. So 41 cents is still in play. So that's kind of the key thing to watch going forward is, can the price stay up above it? Can it maintain it? I mean, obviously not to insult your intelligence, but if the price does, do this number where it just goes down and down and down, well, obviously 41 cents, it doesn't matter anymore. Here it did matter, but it matters no more because, well, the proof would be in the pudding. The price is just continuing to fall down below there. But if the price can at least start to get some sideways action of some sort, then yeah, it becomes more and more interesting. So we'll see what happens with it in regards to that. Now, in the event it does bounce, I do want to map out a couple areas of potential resistance. Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce, going to call right there at 45 cents. And then after 45 cents, next key overall level up there at 48. So we'll see what happens with it. Top priority right now is just stabilizing. By no means am I saying that the price has to break levels of resistance tomorrow in order for it to be a good day. Any sort of sideways action would be, just as good as upwards price action. So we'll see what happens, but price is certainly sitting at an interesting point on the chart. So we'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.